Yes sir, what's up guys? We are back at it again with a new video, and today we are in the back of the goddamn truck. Oh yeah guys, we are about to work. We're about to work on this Moose's wave, right folks?
Yes.
Now, if you guys were ever wondering what's inside of a microwave, you're gonna watch two white guys open it up and figure out what's inside of it. This microwave is an old Moose's wave and it's retired. Poor microwave.
I think.
Oh, you big bastard. God dang it.
Now
oh yeah. Oh yeah, Transformers, just like the movie, donkey.
we wanted that. So this is kind of good. We're taking this part anyways.
Oh yeah. Definitely silent.
Alright. So that is gonna be the power.
Alright guys. Now where do we find the magnets in this sucker?
The magnets are gonna be still up source.
Alright guys, so this is kind of what's in it. Got some wires. See, so that's how the digital screen works, is right here, definitely.
Of course they would do this. Okay, that's actually going to stay there because
there's some electronic wires and stuff in here, folks.
that's going to be a ground right here. Of course it would be.
Alright guys, we got the 12-volt cigarette lighter undone.
It's not a cigarette lighter.
Yes sir. Now the next thing we gotta do is, got the
Transform off.
the transmitter, the FM transmitter, got that off. The transformer, that's what brings in the heat. I think, yep. Got your cooling fan. Oh yeah. Something like that sucker. Maybe that's what that was kinda sharp.
Oh shit, that's not good.
That's fine. That's mint.
It's not supposed to be like that.
Dude, that's why the microwave went out.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not good.
That's probably why it went out. Right there.
Yep, that's not good. Oh Jesus.
That's fine.
That's not good.
That's mint.
Mint my ass.
So you just gotta unplug it and plug it back in. Maybe I wasn't focused this whole time on my camera for this video. I'll have to figure that out later.
Ooh. Sad. You know what? I don't care about that anymore.
Oh yeah, now we got our cooling fan. What is this?
That's gonna be.
We found an envelope that tells you how everything works inside of the Moose's Wave.
Mechanics, which I don't really need at all. Oh my god.
You think this microwave will still work?
Gas engineer, there's a shit ton of Loctite. Of course. I hate Loctite. Whatever you want to go in.
I was about to help you aim it in a second. There you go, you got it.
Ink.
This guy in this song sounds pretty mad.
Yeah, yes, he's mad.
Alright guys, we found
this
the
is
magnets.
radiation shit.
Oh yeah.
This is where we'll probably die.
That's where the heat comes in from right there.
Son, there's your heating element.
Yes, sir. And that's where the magnet is, in there. Now all we gotta do is just get the magnet out.
That's fucking really simple as to how this solar system works.
Now, how the heck do you get the magnet out is the question. I probably shouldn't have it too close to my phone, but you know. Well guys, that's too hard to open. I'm probably gonna do it on my own later after this video. But yeah, for now, let's just keep opening this sucker up and keep checking out what's inside of it. I think we're about near the end of it though.
About. Yeah.
Oh, you got the screen out. You can see through it now.
Yep. It's literally the simplest thing ever.
Popcorn. Don't work.
Look, see?
Oh yeah. So yeah guys, that is what is inside of a microwave, and we have figured it out. And yeah.
Here's your screen.
That is everything.
And you got your light bulb here.
It's quite simple.
Yeah, honestly.
And here's the screen, guys. You guys want a little
Now, I always
bit
give
of
my
a closer
loving
look.
customers this option.
Which is,
Do you want the light bulb?
yes. Who doesn't want the light bulb? Here at the back of the truck auto shop, we always give you the guys' best service. This microwave will definitely be working afterwards.
Light bulb.
Oh yes.
That might explode in your hands.
It didn't blow up. Oh, that's fine. That's
There's your microwave. That's exactly.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like and subscribe
I am taking
for
this.
more crazy videos. What do you got to say, Nick?
Yeah.
Is that all you got to say?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Peace out!